Do you know snails live in fresh water, land and seawater too? Can you believe snails have teeth in their mouth? Yes, many teeth. Snails have many teeth in their mouth. And a fun fact is that snails participate in race, snail race. That's a snail. S